You're ridiculous. You know that? You've got about 5 minutes to get out of here right now.
Or what?
Or what? You're on
my property.
This isn't your
property.
property.
It is. Shut the hell up. Get out of here now.
What'd you say?
I said shut up and get out of
No,
here.
you get out of here now.
Hey, you better get your boy. Get your butt back in your office and do your job.
You shut up and get out of here.
You get your butt back in your office and do your job.
No. No.
You quit.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our daily breakdowns of unbelievable law enforcement encounters and the legal lessons behind them. Imagine an officer, faced with a tense situation, suddenly realizing they're stumped by their own department's rules. What happens when the very policies designed to guide them become a roadblock? This video pulls back the curtain on a real Arizona encounter where a police officer's struggle with regulations creates a truly compelling and unexpected showdown.
Are you with somebody in particular, or
just me?
Watching you take pictures of my parking lot. What's this about?
Is that a problem?
Yeah, this is a police law enforcement parking lot. Yeah, it is a problem.
Oh. Who are you?
I'm Detective Mike Jardine.
Oh, yeah? What are you working on? What are you working on right now?
Several cases.
Okay.
What is this about?
Are you working on something right now?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
All right, what are you working on? What are you working on?
It doesn't matter what I'm working on. I'm asking you, what are you doing here taking pictures?
Where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out and about a little bit?
What is this about? Who are you?
I'm asking the questions. Where have you been today?
No,
have you been here?
I'm asking the questions. You're on this property. You're on this property, so you need to answer my questions.
Are you drunk? Why are you slurring your words today? So have you been here all day, or have you been out? Have you been to the bar today at all?
Who are you?
Have you been to the bar today?
Who are you?
I'm an investigator.
Investigator for who?
Investigative journalist. I investigate corrupt officials. So I'm wondering, where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out at the bar at all?
Working on a fraud case. That's
okay.
Where I've been.
Okay. Have you been to the bar at all today?
No.
Okay. You got any drugs on you? Have you used any drugs today?
What a ridiculous question.
That's not a ridiculous question.
This moment right here is where everything flips. Notice how the investigator immediately redirects the pressure back onto the man on the property. Classic tactic in accountability audits. Also, pay attention to the "you're on my property" claim. In many jurisdictions, the right to demand answers from a civilian is extremely limited without probable cause. What do you think? Is this investigator exposing something, or just provoking a reaction? Let me know in the comments. This scene is exactly where viewers usually split down the middle.
Do you know where he's been today?
I don't keep tabs on him.
Okay.
Out and about.
Do you know what time his shift started?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay. Does he usually drink on the job, or no?
No.
Not that anybody knows of for sure. Have you guys ever breathalyzed him while he's been on the job? Would you submit to a breathalyzer for me right now?
You're ridiculous. You know that? You've got about 5 minutes to get out of here right now.
Or what?
Or what? You're on
my property.
This isn't your
yeah,
property.
It is. Shut the hell up. Get out of here now.
What'd you say?
I said shut up and get out
No,
of here.
you get out of here now.
Hey, you better get your boy. Get your butt back in your office and do your job.
You shut up and get out of here.
You get your butt back in your office and do your job.
No. No.
You quit drinking on the job. You understand me?
Whatever.
You punk ass. You get your ass back in there. You don't look back here again. I'll be watching you. You are now under investigation.
So let's break this down professionally. Nothing in this footage confirms any alcohol-related offense, and the closing statement correctly notes that no evidence proves the detective was drinking on duty. Legally, investigators and auditors use these confrontational tactics to test accountability and assess whether officials follow proper conduct standards. But without factual proof, accusations remain allegations, not violations. This case highlights why documentation, body cam policy, and transparency are crucial in any public-facing investigation. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping cop cam TV breakdowns.